हेलो गाइस वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एक छोटा सा टॉपिक दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एज वेल सो वी कैन से दैट इट इज how we can send a calendar invite from Outlook. So this is a very quick tutorial we can say. So if you want to send any invite or any like meeting schedule to anyone, so just go through the new items, click on it, and there's an appointment and a meeting. There's a both of the same thing. So if you just go for the meeting, so just click on the meeting, and here you have to fill out the details like to where we going to send this invite. Okay, so we need an email address. So I'm just creating an we can say the example for it. Okay, and it's an interview invite. I'll just uh, I'm just filling out this detail. Okay, and I'll already create a body for this, so I'll just go for this. So suppose we have an interview and we want to schedule an interview. Okay, so like this, so this is in a Zoom meeting call, so we have to just click on the link, interview link, and suppose it can be for tomorrow. So tomorrow, like we have to mention the we can say the details is the uh, 3rd of July and 2023. So what we do here, we will select the date here. Okay, and it's a 9:30, so we will go for the 9:30 a.m. and here we can set up a time zone as well. Like here we select like this is in our time zone they mention is Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, India. Okay, so this is the invite. Okay, and once we click on the send, so this email address get on a calendar invite. Okay, and it really shows like that. We can say that there's nothing in a like in my calendar invite, but it shows in a Outlook like this. So it shows a notification that you have an invite, and uh, yeah, we can say the calendar invite like this. Thank you.